Aave explicitly is a low-position digital money as of now estimated at $63.61 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $925,289,285 in a genuinely significant manner. Over the past lovely few years, digital forms of money, including Aave, laid out a by and large solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. A few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and dealers are keen on digital currencies genuinely, for example, Aave, since this truly is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources truly have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately in every way that really matters, brief time frame, or so they generally thought. These profits in a real sense are unreachable in by and large different business sectors, which in every practical sense is the justification for why most exceptionally moderate financial backers in a real sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Aave, while the groundbreaking ones really give a huge piece of their especially funding to this quickly creating resource class in a fundamentally significant manner. At this fundamentally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at $63.61, where it at present basically sits in a significant manner. As currently referenced, Aave is a low-position cryptographic money since it by possesses the 43rd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an in every way that really matters, significant way. On account of Aave, the market capitalization in every practical sense remains at $925,289,285. The significance of this boundary will explicitly be made sense of later, which essentially is very huge. Yesterday, on September 21st, Aave generally was esteemed at $65.50 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recall that digital currencies sort of are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. or so they basically thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period in a real sense, added up to 0.28% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on September 15th, Aave basically was exchanged at $54.31 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that by and large near its certainly present position in opposition to prevalent thinking. On August 22nd, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Aave at $54.87, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 15.93% from where it presently certainly remains in a genuinely huge manner. The blend of this information with the examination of the cost diagram on various time spans, ideally the ones that truly are most certainly higher than the 4-hour time period, ought to especially provide you with a truly clear understanding of the especially current circumstance on the Aave market and how it sort of has been growing, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yet, this in a real sense is just a hint of something larger with respect to how much information that our calculation filters as the day progressed and sorts out all of important data to in a real sense produce the most exact short, mid, and truly long-haul off-cost expectation that, all things considered, has truly turned into the establishment for truly numerous beneficial exchanging systems, and especially enlarged in the feeling of them being productive speculation portfolios, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of Aave and the readings of CVIX basically are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, or so they explicitly thought. Market capitalization is another significant certainly metric that for the most part assists brokers with deciding the ubiquity of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. It's likewise used to survey the offer that Aave really holds inside the whole cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization for the most part is fairly basic. The flowing stockpile of the money being referred to by and large is increased by its in every practical sense current cost, As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Aave truly remains at $925,289,285, enough to name it the 43rd kind of the biggest coin on the digital money market in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on September 21st, the market capitalization of Aave remained at $952. $625,443 in a sort of large manner. 7 days prior, on September 15th, the capitalization of Aave was $789, $587,976. A month prior, on August 22nd, how much most certainly capital streaming around this genuinely specific market basically added up to $796,846,278, or so the basically thought. Most digital money financial backers in a real sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain digital money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which are the really normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market in an unobtrusive manner. It is evident that the very previously mentioned market capitalization of Aave permits to really arrange it as the little cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering, which basically is genuinely critical, since we really have previously referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization. It would be truly proper to dedicate a piece of this report to the inventory of Aave, which is very huge. For your data, there especially are three sorts of supply for practically every digital money. The sort of greatest stockpile, which in every way that really matters, implies the quantity of coins that would be created on a specific blockchain all through its presence. The complete inventory, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the undertaking. The flowing stock, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, all in all, that are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The kind of greatest stock of Aave is 16,000,000 of. The complete inventory of Aave as of now most certainly remains at 16,000,000 coins, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey sort of is 14,546,394 of. This off-cost expectation wouldn't generally be really finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the measurement utilized by practically all digital money merchants to affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move. Hence, it is critical to fundamentally examine the past and the especially current exchanging volume of Aave request to basically comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Aave market in every way that really matters was enrolled at $73,634,833 in a truly significant manner. Yesterday, on September 21st, Aave had an exchanging volume